If you feel like your paycheck comes in and then, yeah, it's gone almost immediately, you're not alone. Living paycheck to paycheck can feel stressful and exhausting. But the good news is you can break the cycle. In this guide, I'll walk you through simple, practical steps to stop living paycheck to paycheck and start building breathing room. First, you need clarity. Track every dollar you earn and every dollar you spend for at least one full month. Yeah, I know it sounds basic, but most people don't actually know where their money goes. Once you see the numbers, you can start making smarter decisions. Next, don't try to cut everything. Just focus on one major expense. That might be eating out, subscriptions, or impulse shopping. If you free up even a small amount consistently each month, that's progress. Small changes compound over time. Before investing or doing anything fancy, build a small emergency fund. Aim for $500 to $1,000 as a starter cushion. This prevents unexpected expenses from throwing you right back into debt. Cutting expenses helps, but income matters too. Ask for overtime, negotiate your salary, start freelancing, or learn a skill that pays more. Even an extra few $100s a month can completely change your financial stability. Here's the key. Automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer the same day you get paid. When you pay yourself first, you stop relying on leftover money. Because let's be honest, there's usually nothing left. As your income grows, don't immediately upgrade everything. Avoid lifestyle inflation. If you increase your savings rate instead of your spending, that's when real financial freedom begins. So yeah, stopping the paycheck to paycheck cycle isn't about perfection. It's about awareness, small changes, and consistency. Track your money, cut one expense, build a cushion, increase income, and automate savings. Do that long enough and you'll finally feel breathing room.